And now let's turn our attention to another model that has been creating a lot of buzz lately, the Canon EOS R1. This camera has been talked about for years, and many photographers have been waiting to see what Canon would bring to the table. The R1 is expected to be Canon's true flagship in the mirrorless world, designed to sit above the R3 and compete head-to-head with Sony's Alpha 1 and Nikon's Z9. With professional sports events, wildlife expeditions, and high-end productions in mind, the R1 is being built for speed, precision, and absolute reliability. Rumors suggest the EOS R1 could feature a new 45-megapixel stacked BSI full-frame sensor, giving photographers the flexibility to shoot ultra-high-resolution images while maintaining fast readout speeds. This means less rolling shutter, better handling of fast-moving subjects, and cleaner results even in demanding lighting conditions. Canon is also expected to push the boundaries with an even more advanced version of their dual-pixel CMOS AF technology. Some leaks mention quad-pixel AF making its way into the R1, which would provide even faster and more accurate subject tracking across the entire frame. Video capabilities are also rumored to be nothing short of impressive. We might see 8K RAW recording at up to 60 frames per second, with advanced cooling systems designed to keep the camera running without overheating. For those working in 4K, oversampling from 8K resolution will deliver sharper, more detailed footage. Combined with Canon Log4 and HDR-PQ, this will give filmmakers incredible dynamic range and flexibility in color grading. The R1 could easily become one of the most capable hybrid cameras ever produced. Speed is going to be a major selling point. Early leaks hint at burst shooting speeds reaching up to 60 frames per second with the electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing decisive moments in sports or wildlife action. Pair this with deep learning-based AI autofocus, and the R1 will be able to recognize and track a wide range of subjects, including humans, animals, and vehicles, with unmatched accuracy. This AI system is expected to improve not only subject recognition but also predictive tracking, meaning the camera will anticipate where the subject will move and adjust focus accordingly. Build quality is another area where Canon won't compromise. The R1 is expected to have a fully weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, ready for extreme conditions. Photographers working in rain, snow, or dusty environments will have the peace of mind that their gear can handle it. The integrated vertical grip will make it more comfortable for long shooting sessions, especially for sports and event photographers who often shoot in portrait orientation. The viewfinder is rumored to be one of the best in the industry, with an OLED display pushing a refresh rate of up to 240 Hz for incredibly smooth tracking. This high resolution and fast refresh rate will make it easier to follow fast-moving subjects without lag or blackout. The rear LCD screen is expected to be fully articulating, giving creators more flexibility in framing shots from challenging angles. Connectivity will be top-notch as well. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and possibly even built-in 5G in certain variants, the R1 will make it easier than ever to transfer files or live stream directly from the camera. Dual CF Express card slots will ensure the fastest possible write speeds, crucial for handling large 8K video files or long bursts of raw images without buffering. Of course, all of this performance will come at a premium. Industry insiders predict the R1's price could be around $8,000, putting it firmly in the professional category. But for those who need absolute performance and reliability, it could be worth every cent. The R1 is shaping up to be the kind of camera that doesn't just meet expectations, but sets new ones for the entire industry. It's clear that Canon's strategy is to have a strong camera for every segment. The R4 is set to dominate the mid-range, offering high-end features at a more accessible price. The R3 Mark II will appeal to professionals who need speed, ruggedness, and hybrid capabilities in a slightly smaller package. And the R1 will stand as the ultimate tool for those who demand the very best in speed, resolution, and versatility. This multi-tier approach ensures Canon can compete strongly against Sony and Nikon. Sony's Alpha series continues to push high resolution and strong video features, while Nikon's Z lineup has gained praise for its ergonomics and image quality. By offering models that directly counter these rivals, Canon is making sure they stay in the fight for every type of photographer and filmmaker. When you look at these upcoming releases together, a clear picture starts to form. Canon isn't just reacting to the competition, they're trying to lead. By bringing in technologies like quad-pixel AF, faster processors, advanced cooling, and higher resolution sensors, they're signaling that they want to set the standard, not just follow it. It also shows they're listening to feedback, addressing concerns like overheating, autofocus improvements, and better connectivity. For content creators, this is an exciting time. Whether you're producing YouTube videos, shooting weddings, working on documentaries, or photographing wildlife, there's a Canon camera coming that's likely to fit your needs perfectly. The fact that these innovations are filtering down from the flagship models to the mid-range ones means more people can access professional-level performance without needing to spend flagship-level money. Of course, all of these details are still based on leaks and rumors, so we'll need to wait for official announcements to confirm the full specifications. But even at this stage, the possibilities are exciting. If Canon delivers on even most of these rumored features, they could very well have one of their strongest mirrorless lineups ever. The next year will be crucial for the mirrorless market. With competition heating up, brands will push harder than ever to win over photographers and filmmakers. Canon's rumored lineup puts them in a strong position to capture a large share of that market. The combination of speed, resolution, video capabilities, and improved user experience will appeal to a broad audience. In the end, choosing the right camera will still come down to your specific needs. Some will prefer the sheer power and speed of the R1. Others will find the R3 Mark II to be the perfect balance of performance and portability. And many will see the R4 as the sweet spot between affordability and advanced features. The important thing is that Canon is giving us choices, and not just small upgrades, but meaningful advancements across the board. So, whether you're a professional chasing perfection or an enthusiast aiming to step up your game, the next generation of Canon cameras looks ready to deliver. The coming months will reveal if the rumors hold true, but one thing is certain, the competition in the mirrorless world is about to get a whole lot more interesting. And that's our deep dive into what could be Canon's most exciting lineup yet. If these cameras arrive with the features and performance we've discussed, they could reshape how we think about mirrorless photography and filmmaking. From the mid-range R4 to the powerhouse R1, there's something here for everyone who wants to push their creative limits.